Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Essential English, the podcast that helps you learn English through real life situations. I'm your host, John Wallen, and today I'm joined by my amazing co-host, Lucy Collins. Lucy, why don't you say hi to everyone?
Hi guys, I'm Lucy Collins, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, we'll help you improve your English with a fun and easy story.
And hey, don't forget to follow us and subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss any new episodes.
All right, grab your coffee, relax, and let's dive into today's episode.
Today's episode is called Starting Your Day in English. We'll listen to a short story about Emma, a young professional, and how she starts her morning. You'll learn useful phrases for talking about daily routines. Perfect for beginners.
After the story, we'll explain some expressions and give you a quick English tip to make learning even easier.
Well, before we start, remember this. When you learn a new language, your brain builds new connections every day. Neuroscience shows that short daily practice helps your brain retain vocabulary faster. So listen to this episode, repeat the phrases, and keep practicing. You'll get better step by step.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Consistency is the key. Meet Emma at 7 a.m. and her alarm is ringing. She's still sleepy, but today is an important day. Her first meeting at work.
Oh, good morning. I need coffee.
Did you hear that? Emma said, I need coffee. That's a common phrase in the morning. Repeat after us. I need coffee. Go ahead, say it out loud. Emma goes to the kitchen and sees her brother, Tom, already eating breakfast.
Morning, Emma. Do you want some toast?
Yes, please, and can you pass me the coffee?
Here you go.
Notice Tom said, here you go. That means here it is or take it. Simple and very useful. Emma checks the time. It's 7:45. She's late.
Oh no, I'm going to be late for work.
Don't worry. The bus stop is close. Hurry up.
Bye, Tom. Have a good day.
You too. Good luck with your meeting.
Emma arrives at the bus stop and sees her neighbor, Sarah.
Morning, Emma. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, just a little nervous. I have a meeting today.
You'll do great, don't worry.
Emma finally gets on the bus with Sarah. It's crowded, and she has to ask someone to move.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead.
That's a useful phrase when you want to sit. Is this seat free? You can also say, is anyone sitting here? Emma arrives at her office building just in time for her morning meeting.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Morning, Mike. I'm fine. Just a little nervous about the meeting.
When someone says good morning, you can reply with morning. It sounds casual and natural.
Emma, this is Lisa. She's new at the company.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Lisa. Nice to meet you too. Welcome.
When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, nice to meet you, or simply, welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to work here.
You're welcome.
Did you hear what Lisa said? She used thank you. In English, we use thank you to express gratitude. And when someone says thank you, a very common answer is you're welcome. You can also say no problem or anytime they all sound natural. Now the boss comes into the room and says,
Good morning, everyone. Let's get started.
Good morning. I'm ready.
Simple phrases like, let's get started, are very common at work. Repeat after us. Let's get started. After the meeting, Emma takes a break in the cafeteria with Sarah.
So, how was the meeting?
It was good. I'm learning so much here.
Small talk at work is important. Phrases like, how was it? Or I'm learning a lot are easy and useful. At the end of the day, Emma feels proud of herself. She managed to wake up on time, go to work, and learn new things.
Today was a good day. I'm improving every day.
Let's review all the useful expressions from today's story. I need coffee. Use this when you really want something, especially in the morning. Here you go. Say this when you hand something to someone. Have a good day. Use this to wish someone a nice day. Is this seat free? Ask this when you want to know if you can sit somewhere. Morning, what a casual and friendly way to say good morning. Let's get started. I say this when you're ready to begin a meeting or activity. How was it? Use this to ask someone about their experience. I'm improving every day. Say this to express your personal progress. Let's repeat them together one more time. Ready? I need coffee. Here you go. Have a good day. Is this seat free? Morning. Let's get started. How was it? I'm improving every day. Here's today's tip. When talking about your daily routine, always use the present simple tense. For example, I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I go to work. Easy, right?
Exactly. Keep your sentences short and simple. It's the best way to practice.
That's it for today's episode of Speak Essential English. I hope you enjoyed our story and learned some new phrases.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to follow and subscribe to the podcast. And share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Remember, every episode you listen to brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep listening, and you'll get there. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.